Hello friends, today I am going to tell you how you can disconnect Twitch on Discord. So first of all you need to install this Twitch on your system and you need to log in. I have already connected Twitch, so I want to disconnect it. So I first need to go here, user settings. There is an option called connections. You can see this is my Twitch ID and it is properly connected. So I just need to click this cross button in front of connected. Just click on this and it will ask for disconnection, so you can click on disconnect and that's it. My Twitch ID is disconnected. I hope now you will be able to do it, friends. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends, take care.